Hey everybody, this is Odin, and today I'm reporting about two comets hurling towards Earth for a double flyby, and the biggest one will glow emerald green. And the story is coming from Rose Zerko. So I did check her out, and she's a very active writer, has several current articles out. So I don't see anything really suspicious about her. Well, anyway, the first thing I did find that was suspicious about this story is the time that it came out, which is 3:30 p.m. And there is your double threes right here. And your double threes, is which we went over before, is a Masonic code. It's the highest degree in Masonry, 33-degree Mason. The second thing I found was right here. At 8:14 a.m. on Monday, Comet 252P/Liner will pass within 3.3 million miles from Earth. So there is another 33. And the last thing I found with the article was this part right here. Tuesday's comet is smaller, and you will need a telescope to watch P/2016 BA14, which is trailing the emerald green colored comet. This comet has just been discovered a few months ago. BA14 and its larger counterpart are among the closest comets to pass by Earth in recorded history, according to the University of Maryland's Matthew Knight. Now, the last name Knight is also a 33 code, and I'll show you that right here. Knight 33. Well, anyway, basically, you may not be able to see them at all. It just depends on what time they pass by. If it's daylight where you're at, you probably won't get to see it. And if anyone does see it and can record it, I would love for you to post a link to the video in the comments section, and I would like to watch something like that. Anyway, I hope you all have a great day, and I hope everyone had a safe and great weekend. Peace.